So here I have another question with me, and that is what are Google Ads threshold accounts, Google invoice accounts. Okay, so in case if you are new to Google Ads, you must be wondering on what is that. And in case even if you're a professional, I still know many professionals who do not have much idea regarding Google Ads. Invoice accounts are Google Ads thresholds account, and for all those who don't know or who wants to know about it or want a quick revision on Google Ads threshold accounts or Google Ads invoice accounts. So for those, it's basically Google Ads invoice accounts are those accounts where you are given credit limit. There are certain scenarios where Google charges you on a monthly basis, and you have a certain credit before they charge you. Like usually, in case if you are running on a manual or a post or prepay on Google Ads, you do not have much amount to pay on. Threshold is basically the amount after which you are going to be charged from Google. Let's say for a new account, the threshold is $25. Like after $25 spent, you are going to be charged from Google Ads the transaction amount. And then once account gets old, the threshold goes from $25 to 50, 100, 200, 250, 500, 1000. I've seen cases. So it eventually grows based on your credit transaction history with Google and your relationship with Google. But then there are certain scenarios when there are certain corporate level deals with Google team. Even Google partner help you in getting and setting up a deal. Like in case if you hire us, we can even set up need or Google may need proper documentation regarding your business, physical location, business address, a manual verification, a few phone calls, and few things to see that you are a legit business and you are not going to do scamming either to Google or either to end user. So this is regarding Google Ads threshold accounts or Google Ads invoice accounts. So, in case if you need a Google Ads threshold account or Google Ads invoice account, you are more than welcome to consult with us. We charge very nominal fees to help you, guide you in setting up. And yeah, the eligibility criteria for each business is different as per the niche, country, past history, and the other accounts in that industry, other behavior of the account in that industry. There are too many factors to decide on, which is why I believe that consultation is not a bad idea to get things up and started. So, in case if you want our services, you are more than welcome to contact us through the link in the description of this video. Once again, thank you for watching and make sure to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification to watch it. Thank you and bye bye.